posted a video about my 4C hair not showing any major growth over the years, and a lot of people commented and they say that it's this blow dryer brush that I have in my hand right here. And I've seen this blow dryer everywhere, and I'm like, let me go ahead and try it. And it is called the blow dryer. Let's get a close-up of that. And it comes with 4 different attachments. Oh goodness. This is a note from Tracee Ellis Ross, the owner of the brand. If you were not familiar, you can pause to read. And let me get a better shot. And I think if anybody should have like a celebrity beauty line, her doing the hair one, that actually makes sense. Because her hair has always been iconic. Also more information. And that's the QR code if you want to scan it and go to the website. I did purchase this blow dryer from Ulta though, because y'all know I love talking about Ulta's reward points. And it comes with a diffuser, a brush, a concentrated nozzle. So this is not, at first glance I thought that this is going to be more like a pick, but it's just a concentrated nozzle. I think this is really good for like low tension blow drying, but I would only be able to do that on somebody else's head. Like I can't angle my hands properly for that. And the white tooth comb. This is how I used to blow dry my hair. Well, I used to use a pick actually. And then the blow dryer is here, and it has this is like the setting for the speed of the fan, and then this is low, and then that's high, and then this is the temperature, so it's like low, medium, and high, I guess. I was on Amazon and I saw this hooded attachment that I can put on my head, and it'll trap the heat from the blow dryer for my hair. And I had deep conditioner in my hair with a conditioning cap on. I should have showed that part, but I was having a really big issue with attaching the attachment to the blow dryer. It just doesn't fit. And I feel like this product is kind of gimmicky and not really that effective. Like my hair is definitely not getting hot under there. The only real answer is to buy a overhead dryer or just go to the beauty salon, because this was doing nothing. And I ran out of time because, you know, deep conditioner should only stay in for a certain amount of time. So I do not recommend buying this, but it is in the description if you want to try it and prove me wrong.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on, because I realize I've got myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't.
After I blow dry my hair, I always use Chi Silk Infusion Kenra blow dry spray, and that's usually what I use as my heat protectants. The Chi Silk Infusion helps me get my hair straighter typically, and the Kenra is just good as a thermal protectant. That's like my blow dry cocktail, I should say. The attachment that I chose to use while blow drying was the brush. I thought that it looked like it could get my hair very straight because of the many bristles or whatever. Also, I included the sound for the part where the blow dryer is actually on if you want to hear what it sounds like. I feel like it sounds like a typical blow dryer, but I will let you hear both low and high. So I always hold the dryer over the sections instead of just like combing through it quickly. Of course, that would be faster and more time efficient, but I find that this is a lot less tension on the hair, and what it really needs is the heat. It doesn't necessarily need to be overbrushed. And then I kind of go in with my ends. I wasn't really a big fan of the brush attachment on my ends. To be fair, I do need a trim, but I didn't think that it was working very well for me. And it was just kind of like awkward to hold because I've been spoiled using my Revlon blow dryer brush that it is going to be hard for me to not want to use that. But you got to do what you got to do for the health of our hair.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now in the end, that's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just
me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed. So for the belly, we stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed. So for the belly, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the beat, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden deals, bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled, all because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby, on the G-Way. Get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, come with me. Leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me. Fly you out the
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what hell is like. There's got to be more.
my hair was at the like 95% dry mark, I decided to use the hair dryer wide tooth comb attachment just to go ahead and make sure that everything was dry and kind of to get my ends. I know they look raggedy, like, well, let me not say that because it's really my fault that I just haven't made an appointment to get them trimmed. I'm not in that habit because I've been trimming them myself for so long, but I don't think I'm the biggest fan of this dryer. Like, I'm just used to being able to do it with more ease. If you have any tips, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm listening. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.